Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video you are going to see how you can use a form to create issues in Jira application. So guys, Jira is a project management application where you can create issues which can be some kind of tasks or user requests or user stories. So here I have taken the example of Fluent Forms, which is a plugin of WordPress to create a form, and by filling out that form you can create an issue in Jira automatically. Now let me show you how this automation is going to work. So this will be the flow of this automation, and here you just have to create a form, and as and when this form is going to be submitted by any user, by any customer or any client, a new issue will be created in Jira software automatically. So you need not to copy the data of a new user story and create a issue manually here. So it will surely save a huge amount of time of yours, and it will improve your productivity as well. So to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part is you can create this automation in just a few steps without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So anyone can set up this automation very easily. So let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to start setting up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard here. So to reach here, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will give you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. And after reaching here, you can create this automation by creating a workflow. So just click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here as Fluent Forms to Jira automation. Alright, now you can click here on this create button, and you can see your workflow is getting created like this. And here on this page you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be a submission received from Fluent Forms, and the action would be to create an issue in Jira automatically, right? So first of all, you have to set up this trigger here. So from this, choose a field, search for Fluent Forms. This is Fluent Forms, guys. Select it, and in the trigger event you have to select new form submission option, and then it will give you this URL. So this is called as a webhook URL, guys, and it is used to fetch the data out from an external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So with the help of this, we are going to create the connection with Fluent Forms. So guys, you can follow these instructions written here to make this connection. First of all, let me show you my form that I have created. So guys, this is my WordPress dashboard, and here you can see Fluent Forms plugins is installed here, and I have created a form with the help of this. This is the editor of Fluent Forms, and here I have created this form. And after when you create this form, guys, and save this form, you will get this Fluent Form ID. Alright, so you have to copy that ID to embed this form in any of your website page. So I have used this ID, and so guys, from here only on this left hand side panel you can see this pages option here. This is pages option, and from here you can select the page, and in that page you have to embed that this form. So this is the page I have created, report issue page, and here I have embedded this form. Alright, now to make the connection, you have to reach the dashboard of WordPress, and from here scroll down, and you will find this WP webhooks option here, guys. Let me show you. In the settings, when you come to the settings, in the settings you will see this WP webhooks option. Click on WP webhooks. Alright, and here click on this send data tab, and under send data you have to search for Fluent Forms. So here is the Fluent Forms, and under this Fluent Forms, sorry, not contact form 7, Under this Fluent Forms, guys, you have to click on this add webhook URL button like this, and here you can give any name to this webhook. So I'm giving the name here as to Jira. All right, and here in this webhook URL field, you have to copy paste the webhook URL that you have got here in this workflow. All right, so click on copy and paste it here in this webhook URL field, and then click on add for Fluent Form submitted. All right, and here you will find your created webhook URL here like this to Jira, right? And let's read the instructions. So after pasting the webhook URL, you have to click on the three dot of your created webhook, then click on settings, and under trigger on selected forms, you have to select the form, right? All right, so let's check. Here is my added webhook URL, and here are the three dots. Click on it, and from here click on settings, and under this settings, under this trigger on selected forms, you have to select the form. So our form is this one, report issue form. You can see this is the form, right? Report issue form is this. So you have to select the form from here, and then click on save settings. You can see the settings are saved, right? And here you can see in your workflow, as you have copied this webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now you have to do a test submission. This means now you have to fill the form on the behalf of any demo customer or a test customer, and we are going to capture the form response here, right? So this is my form, and let me fill the details of a test customer as Akash Bhilka is filling this form. This is the email ID of this person, and the so it is a type of a form in which we are asking for the issues that our customers are getting. So here our customer is putting the issue title as issue in help text, right? This is the issue, and the description is help text of Fluent Forms trigger is not clear. So it is just a demo issue I am creating to set up this automation, right? Now click on submit here, and you can see the form is getting submitted, and it is showing this message, thank you, we'll get in touch, right? So let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this form submission, and here you can see we got the data of the form submission like this, right? So here you can see we got the name of the person who have filled this form, the email, and all the things the person have filled in the form is here. Now I want to create an issue in Jira application out of this data. So for that to happen, you have to connect Jira here in this action step. Select Jira software, and the action event, select create issue option, then click on connect. And from this window, select add new connection, then click on connect with Jira software. So it will bring you to the login window of Jira if you are not logged in. But as I have already logged in Jira, you can see, I think it will just ask for the access required to make the connection. So it will show you this, Pabbly is requesting access to your Jira account or Atlassian account. So just click on accept here. Oh, sorry, choose authorization for. From here you have to select the projects or the domain's name like this. Then click on accept. So you can see we are now connected with Jira. So we are now connected, and now here it is asking for the base URL. So base URL is this, selected, and now you have to select the project's name. So guys, I am working on this project. Name of the project is Pabbly Connect project. All right, you can see Pabbly Connect project is the name. So from here you have to select the project's name from this list, and my project's name is Pabbly Connect project. And then you have to select the issue type, so it will show you the list of the types of the issues it provides. So issue type is can be improvement, task, subtask, new feature, so I'm putting here improvement. And in the summary and the description and all these things, I'm going to use the data that we have received here from the form submission. All right, so I'm going to map this data here in this step. So to map the data in the summary, just click here on this field, and from this Fluent Forms option, click on it to get the title of the issue, which is this. And in the description, I'm going to map the description, right? And now we can give the priority to this issue also. So I'm giving it the priority as medium. You can put a label to this issue also. You can assign your team member to this issue also. So I'm assigning this person, right? Now you can check your connection with Jira application by clicking on Save and Send Test Request, and a new issue will be created here in this project. Let me show you. I'm clicking on Save and Send Test Request, and let's see what happens. And you can see this is a response we have received, and a new issue with this key PCP75 is created in Jira. Let me show you. So right now I have this PCP74. Let me refresh this page, and we got PCP75 as well. And this is the title, issue in help desk. This is the description, and this is the assignee. So these are the same details we have filled here, and as these are the same things which I have filled here is reflected on this issue, right? So this is how it is going to work in real time, guys, and we are done setting up this automation. So first of all, I connected Fluent Forms in the trigger, and with the help of these instructions, we made this connection and get the demo response of a demo form submission like this. After that, in the action step, I connected Jira software, selected the base, the project's name, and mapped this data. So when you map this data like this, what will happen after setting up this automation? You don't have to do anything manually. After that, as and when you receive a form submission, you will get a new issue created automatically. No need to do anything manually. Alright, so you have to set up this automation only once. After that, it will run automatically. And guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.